Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts Designs. I'm coming by just with another quick stretch bracelet. Really just to watch me make a stretch bracelet, but anyway. This is the Crystal Tech that excuse me, that just came with some beads that I bought. It's an 8mm, and part of these are acrylic and part of these are glass. All from CoBeads. They contacted me and sent me a few goodies. These are the crackle glass. Just what I've got left. Because yeah, I've kind of been going to town making these. I haven't cut the ends off yet because the glue is still dry. So this time I'm gonna do these little cube beads that I absolutely love. Sorry, I didn't put my glasses on. And then these these crackle glass beads. And finding the hole on these crackle glass beads is a real chore. See, on the acrylic beads, no problem. On these crackle glass ones, it can be really tough. Even when you can see the hole. On the acrylic ones, it just goes right in. Okay, yeah, just because I said something. Okay, that is what I'm going for. So I'm just going to continue on till I get to 7 inches, and then I'll come back and tie it off. Okay, I really just wanted to get this one out of the way first. Left over right. Just a single overhand knot, just like tying your shoe. Okay, right over left. Then I'm going to take it through 2 times. Okay, and then pull it kind of tight. Okay, then again the opposite way, but go through 2 times. And grabbing the ends can be the hardest part. Okay, now holding the loose ends in one hand, pull it apart and pull on the elastic going through the bracelet. Just a drop of glossy accents. Now, I've seen videos where people do E6000, or to me, E6000 is way too caustic. It's got a foul smell. It's just not It's just not. It may work, and it may work really well, but I can't get past the smell. So, there's that one. Half acrylic, half glass. It's got a nice weight. Now this one is going to be way too big for me, but you don't make everything for yourself. You make some things to sell. So this one would fit a larger wrist than mine. So I did make some larger, some smaller. I really like this one. I am not a pink person, but I don't know why. I just really like that. I don't know if it's the gold spacers or not really sure. Now these are all glass. Glass pearls and the rhinestone spacers. I only did 3 of these, I think. Okay, so I'll come back in a minute and we're going to do another, yeah. These would make a great stacked bracelet. Maybe in that. Okay, but the last one I'm going to do seriously a combo like that, but I'm going to put the little spacers on either end of the little sets of 3. If that makes any sense. Like that. Okay, I'll set it up and I'll be right back. Okay. I have laid out my beads. I'm just going to continue to string them on, hunting for the hole every time. Okay, I'll be back when I get to 7 inches. Okay, last time, hopefully. Left over right, just an overhand knot, like tying your shoe. Okay, then right over left. Bring the tail in through 2 times. Pull it tight. Not too tight to break. Okay, then once again, left over right. Bring it through 2 times again, and cinch it down pretty tight. Now, hold the loose ends with one hand. Find your knot. Pull on either side of the bracelet. Pretend this is glossy accents, because this is crackle accents. And just put a dot on the knot. Now, because glossy accents does take a while to dry, that should seep right on through that knot. Leave the tails for now until the glue dries. Now, if you're worrying about hiding your knot, give you a little tip I learned. finish the knot off underneath, well, underneath a little bail, okay? The knot can slip under the bail and hide out of the way, and then you've got somewhere to hang charms from. How cute will that be? I've got just a couple of charms that came out of another bead purchase. Okay, so let's see, on this little one, how cute will that be? A little starfish. That will be really cute. A couple of jump rings, a couple of little jump rings, and then a larger jump ring for it to hang from. That will let it dangle and hang correctly. This particular charm is double-sided, but they aren't all double-sided. I'll give you an example. This four-leaf clover, while it looks like it's double-sided, it's really not. It has a really pretty side and then a not so attractive side. Like this crown, same thing. Okay, so the double jump rings just allow a little more movement. So let's see. I'm thinking I might need a little smaller. Two of those and one of these. I would normally use a larger jump ring, but being that these are smaller, these are like a 6 or an 8. I'm thinking maybe a 6. Okay. We'll take one jump ring. Open it. Slide on the other tiny little jump ring and the charm. When you get jump rings that are too tiny for you to even see. Okay. Now grab that other jump ring, just because I could see that it wasn't closed very well. Okay. Now I'll take this larger jump ring. Always away from and towards yourself and never apart. Okay. Then I'll hang that little charm. Then I'll find the knot. Look at how cute that will be. Just a couple more hours to dry and cut those tails off. There you go. A sweet little Christmas gift. Grandkids would love these. Oh, I would love these. What the heck? Who wouldn't love these? Alright. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll try to leave links below. These are from CoBeads. The crackle glass beads. Sorry, there were a lot more colors when I started out. But there were a lot more of these colors. That's why there are some left. Because I did use quite a bit of these pastel colors. I mean, I just used them on the ones we just did, and there's still that many left. So, the hearts are just made all of these from that package of crackle glass beads, some little spacers, the package of acrylic cubes, and the package of acrylic hearts. Some spacer beads. And some little tiny bezels. Okay. I didn't even put a charm on one of the ones with the bezels, did I? Nope, because I don't have any gold charms, so. Anyway.